start now. This is how to make every of your YouTube shorts go viral. Yes. See, I made over 30 of my shorts go viral using this method. My first viral shot got 20k views. My second one got 15k views. My third one got 14k views. My fifth one got, like, are you seeing them? Just looking at my side too. Yeah, like I had a lot of views. Even the list of my view was 1k views. And how did I do it? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how I made all my shorts in 3 ways. Like how I made all my shorts go viral in 3 ways. And the third one is the most important because without it, the first and the second cannot work perfectly well. Yes, they work, but they work hand in hand. Number 1, animation. If you check most of my viral shots of Bulu of Lagos channel, they are all animation. And each one of my animation gave me a lot of subscribers. Like my first one that had 20.5k views, it gave me what? 246 subscribers. The one that had 15.3k views, it gave me what? 76 subscribers. And the one that had 30.4k views, it gave me what? 230 subscribers. And the one that had 14.3k views, it gave me what? 98 subscribers. And the one that had 10.7k views, it gave me what? 201 subscribers. I saw the subscribers I showed you before. If we add all together, that is more than what? 500 subscribers. Let me find it up for you. 246 plus 76 plus 98 plus 230 plus 201 is equals to 851 subscribers in total, just from what? 5 videos. Imagine I add up almost of my viral shorts together. Hey, that's how I was able to get plenty subscribers on my channel, on this Bulu of Lagos channel. But wait, did you know why I got more subscribers from animation and cartoon? It's because what? Everybody loves cartoon. So I'm thinking in my next video, I'll be teaching you how I make all this animation cartoon to make your shorts go viral, depending on the community, because I do post a lot in my community. If I post in my community and most people pick yes, nobody pick no, or maybe people pick maybe, or I don't know, or your choice, I will not do it. But they pick yes, I will do it. So number 1 can't work without number 2. So to my next point, and if you are following my content, comment following. Let me know. Can you hear me? So number 2, sound. Or what should I call it? Sounds. Yes. I know you'll be like, what is sound? But do you know in all social media generally, it is sound that makes every video go viral. Yes, sound is that thing that looks like music icon in every social media. Something like this. Are you seeing it? Did you see it? Something like that. Are you seeing it? This is for YouTube. Just look at my side though. This is for YouTube. Are you seeing it? Now let me show you for TikTok. Let me open my TikTok application for you. Let it load small. Okay, it has loaded. This is the music icon in TikTok, also known as sound. So, same thing as other social media. Sound is the same as music. So how do you make use of sound to go viral? Should I teach you in this video or I should teach you in my next video? Anyway, let me quickly teach you how to make use of sound, but for more explanation, it will be in my next video. So on YouTube, you go to someone popular in your niche, because this video is for generally for all niches, and what? Go to their most popular video in their shorts. Just look at my side though, and what? Click on it. Are you seeing it? Then what? Pick the music icon, which is sound. Are you seeing it? Pick the music icon, which is sound though, and please pick make use of sound. Make use of sound though. Then upload any of your video using that sound, and what? Go viral. But it will not go viral without number 3. But if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be so glad to answer. Yes. And if you follow me to this point, write I understand, or what? we are still here. Or what? Still here. We understand. Still here. Anyhow you like, make sure I write something. So I hope you understand. Because when you combine sound and animation together, it goes viral. That's what I use in my Boluvibes Lagos channel. So number 3, 3 seconds thumbnail. What is 3 seconds thumbnail? 3 seconds thumbnail, that is what keeps a viewer to watch your video from a reasonable length. For example, Mr. Beast video.
I chained this massive rock to a random guy. And when this chain runs out, it's going to pull him to the bottom of the ocean.
Another person is Dude Perfect.
This is the coolest thing I've ever done! Get out of my town! Come out with your hands up!
I'm in trouble. Oh no!
What happened back there? They got a guy in the gun! Alright, listen up, this will only take a second! Well,
and I also made use of what? 3 seconds thumbnail in this my video. Yes, I may also make use of it. I did this in this video that hooks you. Let me play it for you. Start now. This is how to make every of your YouTube shots go viral. Yes. See, I made over 30 of my shots go viral using this method. My first viral shot got 20k views. My second one got 15k views. My third one got 14k views. My fifth one got like, so in summary, 3 seconds thumbnail is what hook the viewers so that they can watch it and it will give you more watch hour and watch more money. So I say if they not watch your video to where they are doing adverts, it's not going to give you money. So the longer they watch your video, the more they watch out for those that to monetize. So how do you create a 3 seconds thumbnail? Let me tell you. You either start with a result or a question or a solution. Yes, any of the 3. But if you combine these 3 things together, animation plus sound plus 3 seconds thumbnail, your shot will go viral 100%. Is what I've tried. I know in my channel I don't try what I don't use. I show you what I do and I show you how I do it so that you will go viral too. So what? I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. I am Boluvibes. Bye bye.